LarkVeil Dixon Phrases, 7 phrases for arriving, assembling, meeting expectations, and taking responsibility. For each phrase, hear it, learn one clear meaning, study the pattern, and use it in context. Get to a place. Slowly. Get to a place. It means to arrive at a particular place or destination. The arrival usually sets up what happens next. Put the destination after get to. For the past, change get to got and keep to. We got to the museum. Maya got to the gym with 10 minutes left on the clock. Now say it in parts. Maya got to the gym with 10 minutes left on the clock. The clock detail shows that Maya reaches the gym with time to spare. Your turn. Repeat after me. Our class will get to the theater before noon. Leave out. Slowly. Leave out. It means to fail to include an important detail. The missing information can make a message unclear. Put the omitted detail after leave out. Place an object pronoun in the middle. Leave it out. John left out the meeting time so nobody knew when to arrive. Now, say it in parts. John left out the meeting time so nobody knew when to arrive. The missing time causes the confusion in the second part of the sentence. Your turn. Repeat after me. I should not leave out the deadline in my email. Get on. Slowly. Get on. Here, it means to board a bus, train, plane, or similar large vehicle. The action can open a travel scene. Put the vehicle after get on the bus. For the past, use got on. Maya got on the school bus and found a window seat. Now say it in parts. Maya got on the school bus and found a window seat. Boarding the bus leads naturally to the next action inside it. Your turn. Repeat after me. We will get on the express train at platform 6. Put together. Slowly. Put together. It means to assemble separate parts into a complete thing. The phrase highlights the work behind the result. Put the project or object after put together. With a pronoun, say put it together. Our team put together a working bridge from recycled cardboard. Now, say it in parts. Our team put together a working bridge from recycled cardboard. The material detail makes the team's assembly process concrete. Your turn. Repeat after me. We can put together the display after lunch. Go in for something. Slowly. Go in for something. It means to enjoy and regularly take part in an activity. A reason can show what makes the interest meaningful. Put the activity after go in for. Use goes in for with he, she, or one named person. Eli goes in for debate because he enjoys testing new ideas. Now, say it in parts. Eli goes in for debate because he enjoys testing new ideas. The reason explains what Eli values in the activity. Your turn. Repeat after me. I go in for photography because it trains my patience. Live up to. Slowly. Live up to. It means to meet expectations or standards set for you. Concrete effort shows how the expectation is being met. Put an expectation, promise, or standard after live up to. For the past, use lived up to. Rina practiced daily to live up to her teammates' expectations. Now, say it in parts. Rina practiced daily to live up to her teammates' expectations. Daily practice is the specific action that helps Rina meet the team's expectations. Your turn. Repeat after me. I will live up to my promise by finishing my part early. Take over. Slowly. Take over. It means to assume a task or responsibility from another person. The reason for the transfer often matters in a story. Put the task or role after takeover. Add from plus a person when naming who previously handled it. Sam took over the rehearsal when the director lost her voice. Now say it in parts. Sam took over the rehearsal when the director lost her voice. The director's problem explains why responsibility moves to Sam. Your turn. Repeat after me. Nora can take over the registration desk during my break. Choose one phrase to move a story from arrival to action. Then use another phrase to show how someone organizes the work, meets an expectation, or takes responsibility. Make the handoff clear. Name the place, task, or expectation. Say your 2 sentences aloud, then improve one detail. See you in the next LarkVeil Dixon Phrases lesson.